Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the iPad Pro 11-inch second generation from 2020. This particular model contains the A12Z Bionic chip, and it also has many other features along with that. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, this particular iPad is the second generation of the 11-inch iPad Pro, and it came out in 2020. Now, the reason I'm unboxing a model that's a couple of years old now is because this is actually secondhand from eBay, but I decided to do an unboxing because it actually came in such good condition, way better than I was expecting, that it is almost looking brand new. So I thought it was worth doing an unboxing of it. And even though it's a couple of years old at this point, the iPad Pro unboxings are pretty similar year over year. So it'll give you an idea no matter what iPad Pro you're looking at getting. So this particular model has the A12Z Bionic, and it has the upgraded 256 gigabytes of storage, and it has Wi-Fi and cellular. So originally this would have retailed for around 1,750 Australian dollars. But I managed to pick it up for about 800 Australian dollars off eBay. So I think it was a pretty good deal. So looking around the box, we've got the iPad Pro on the front with the signature wallpaper of that 2018 year. The wallpaper changes each year depending on what model you get. On the top and bottom, you just get the Apple logo. On the side, you get the iPad Pro branding. And then on the back, you just get some more information about your particular model, including the serial number. All right, so now that we've gone over the contents of the outside of the box, let's get straight into opening it up and taking a look at the iPad itself. So like all Apple boxes, just lift it up there, and then we get our first look at the iPad itself. So to get this out, so you've just got to tip it out a little bit here as best as possible. And then there is our first look at the iPad. I'll just put that to the side for one moment. And we'll have a look at what else we get in the box here. So we get our little documentation package that says designed by Apple in California. This is pretty standard from all Apple products here. And we get a SIM ejector tool, a iPad Pro quick start guide, some Apple stickers, and also some documentation there. So that's what you get in the little documentation box there. And then we also get our USB-C to USB-C charging cable, because the iPad Pros are all USB-C, which is good. And then we also get our little USB-C 20-watt fast charging brick. So it's not like the slow 5-watt ones that we used to get with the iPhone. It's actually a pretty good speed and capacity fast charging brick. So you can use that to charge your iPhone as well, as long as you've got a USB-C cable to plug into it. So that's everything that's in the box there. And now we'll take a look at the iPad itself. So as I said, because this is secondhand, it does have a screen protector on it, but it's in almost perfect condition. So we'll turn it around here and you can see this is the 2020 model. So it has the wide and ultra wide lens along with the LiDAR sensor. That's the same with the 2020, 2021 and 2022 models. If you have the 2018 iPad Pro, it'll look very similar, but you'll only have one lens there and no LiDAR sensor. So yeah, that's the camera there. You got the Apple logo in the middle. This is the base grey model, obviously. On the bottom, you've got iPad. You've got a little bit of text down there. I've just blanked that out because it has the serial number there. And you've got the smart connector pins. On the top of the device, you've got volume up and down and the connector for the Apple Pencil, as well as the SIM tray if you opted for the cellular model. On the bottom, you've got 2 speakers and the USB-C charging port. On the M1 and M2 iPad Pros from 2021 and 2022, that is a Thunderbolt port. On the bottom, we don't really have anything except for like a microphone. And then on the top, we've got 2 more speakers and the power sleep wake button. And here on the front, we've got the Face ID array. And other than that, there's not much else to see because there's no home button. So yeah, this was in pretty good condition. So That's why I thought I'd do the unboxing, but that's about it for the unboxing of the iPad Pro. Hopefully this was helpful, just giving you a good overview of what it's like to unbox an iPad Pro, no matter what model it is. And yeah, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Let me know in the comments below if you've got an iPad Pro and what your experience with it is. I know that a lot of people don't find iPads very useful these days, so I'd love to know if you've got a good use case for an iPad and what you like to do with it. You can also let me know any video suggestions you have for me down in the comments below, because I'm more than happy to make those if you'd like to see them. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.